Escape to paradise at Hacienda Villanova. This stunning remodeled home in the heart of Ajijic offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and tranquil garden living. Get ready to discover your dream escape. Located just 6 blocks from the vibrant Ajijic Plaza, Hacienda Villanova boasts an unbeatable location. Enjoy the peace and quiet of a sought-after neighborhood while having easy access to shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. Inside, you'll find a spacious and modern interior. 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms provide ample room for family and guests. A dedicated studio and den offer extra space for work or relaxation. The fully equipped kitchen features everything you need, and a cozy living room with a fireplace is perfect for relaxing evenings. High-speed internet is ready for remote work or streaming. Hacienda Villanova isn't just beautiful, it's eco-friendly too. A dual water filtration system ensures fresh, clean water, while solar power heats the pool and provides hot water. A tinaco and pressure system guarantee consistent water pressure, and 2 septic tanks ensure efficient sanitation. Step into your own private oasis. The expansive garden is bursting with mature fruit trees: avocado, mango, orange, lime, banana, lemon, fig, plum, and pomegranate. Relax by the solar-heated pool, surrounded by meticulously landscaped beauty. Hacienda Villanova offers the perfect combination of modern living, eco-friendly features, and serene outdoor spaces. Schedule a showing today and experience the ultimate retreat in Ajijic.